Everyone thinks the hardest part of trading is strategy, or finding the right setup, or figuring out risk management. But none of that is it. The truth, the hardest part of Forex trading is waiting. Waiting for the right setup, waiting for your age to play out, waiting to be consistently profitable. And if you can't sit through uncertainty, the market will punish you. Let me show you what I mean. Hi there, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Coach Pro, a trader, and I've been at this game for over 3.5 years. Trading is hard. It's hard to find the right strategy. It's hard to find a winning strategy, a winning edge. It's hard to draft out a plan and stand by it even when the times are tough. And when you do have an edge, the hardest part is waiting for that exact setup to materialize before you enter your trades. The market is very dynamic, and it's easy to trade lookalikes, things that look like your main setup but aren't. What really counts towards your profitability as a trader is having clarity of the right setup, clarity of your A+ setup. Some trades, you might see them and pass on, even though they look like your setup, but you know exactly what you're looking for in a setup. Maybe it's a structural break, maybe it's a candle retest, maybe it's a bullish engulfing candle off a main zone. You know exactly what you're looking for, and you need to wait for that to happen to enter a trade convincingly. If you don't and jump right in at the wrong time, you get whipped by the market. So in this video, we'll be talking about this skill and how you can train yourself to do it like a professional trader. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now let's get into the video. As traders, especially new ones, we have this belief that trading more, doing more equals to earning more. So we stay at the charts all day. We jump in and out of trades. We tweak our strategy constantly. But the reality, the market rewards patience, not hustle. And that's a brutal truth for people wired to grind themselves to success. That's why trading is pretty much different from the model of businesses out there. Because in trading, in order to succeed, it doesn't have to do with grinding. It's pretty much the opposite. You have to play the waiting game smartly. I used to think if I just analyzed harder, watch more pairs, or added one more indicator, I'd finally hit profitability. But I was just getting in my own way. The hard part wasn't doing more. The hard part was learning to do less with confidence. Most traders don't lose because their setup is wrong. They lose because they can't sit still. They trade out of fear, boredom, or pressure to make something happen. And that creates what I call emotional loop traps. You miss a setup, you chase the next one, it fails, you overcorrect, and now you're off your game. That cycle destroys good traders. And breaking it takes more mental discipline than most people are ready for. Forex isn't about instant results. The most profitable traders are the ones who have trained themselves to be the calm killers. They don't flinch when price moves. They don't react to noise. They wait like snipers. And when their moment comes, they strike with confidence. This is a skill most people refuse to practice. Delayed gratification. Sitting in a trade that is in drawdown, waiting for price to hit a key level, letting a setup go because it didn't meet your rules, even if it looks good. That's the real game. Here's exactly how I trained myself to wait, and it changed my trading game. Step 1, journal your impulses. I wrote down every moment I wanted to break my plan, not the trades, the impulses. That gave me self-awareness. Step 2, build a structured routine. I only check charts at fixed times. I reviewed pairs using a watch list, not my emotions. Step 3, use time-based stops. Sometimes price doesn't stop you out, but it drags on. I started using time-based exit rules to reduce uncertainty. Step 4, visualize the boring days. This is huge because most traders only visualize wins. I visualize the boring days where I do nothing and still feel successful. Waiting doesn't mean wasting time. Here's what I do between setups to stay sharp. Review past trades, optimize my trading journal, backtest, study macro trends, step away and live my life. The goal is to be a trader who doesn't need to be trading all the time. That's when you become dangerous because you don't force it, you wait for it. The hardest part of trading isn't entries, it's not exits, it's not strategy. It's the silence in between, the waiting, the stillness, the moment when nothing is happening, but your brain is screaming to act. Master those moments and you'll master the market. If this hit you, grab my free guide, the Clean Chart Confidence Guide. It will help you cut the noise and trust your edge. Link in description, and it's free. And if you want more raw truth like this, subscribe, because I'm not here to hype trading. I'm here to prove the market. See you in my next video.